Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island. Today we're looking at a 2013 Volkswagen Golf Highline in silver with black leatherette interior, seating for 5, 4 doors and a hatch. This has a 4-cylinder engine and it's a front-wheel drive. It also has a dual-panel moonroof as well as navigation. It's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. And there's the release for the hatch. The driver's seat is manually adjusted, as well as some automatic features. The lighting controls are located here, and the steering wheel can tilt and telescope. On the face of it, you have hands-free dialing as well as dash controls, and your cruise control is located over here. On the dash, we're seeing the odometer reading, the direction we're facing, as well as the time and the temperature outside. You've got hazard lights, and below that is your media controls of AM, FM. You also have satellite radio and a CD player. There's navigation, so you just punch in the address and so forth. You have your auxiliary line in there as well. You have the direction of the air vents as well as front defrost, heated seats for driver and passenger, as well as AC. And down below in the cubby you have a 12-volt and traction control is located there. You have an automatic select shifter. Your emergency parking brake is beside you and a couple of cup holders, and your armrest opens up and you've got a little plug in there and a little bit of storage. Off to the side is a locking glove compartment, manually adjusting rear view mirror, your lighting controls, and this has a dual panel moonroof, and what you do is you actually just dial it open. It'll tilt and slide for you. 17-inch wheels, body colored door handle, and side view mirror. The back hatch has a little bit of a spoiler and a windshield wiper, and you have dual exhaust. When you're ready to open up that hatch, you can do so from inside, and you can also do it on your fob. I've released it already, and then you just simply push underneath and it'll lift right up. Inside, it's nicely carpeted. You have a tonneau cover and lots of room. When you're ready to close everything up, there's a handle to the right or the left. Simply put your hand in and pull that down. It'll now close it securely, and then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door, as well as power windows. You have seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split. Very easily pull the tab at the back of the seat. It'll come right down. You now have access to the back cargo area, and you're seeing that tonneau cover, so that gives you some privacy. On the back of the middle seat, you also have a pass-through, so if you wanted to reach into the trunk, you could. And in the center is your armrest, so you just pull the tab, and you've got cup holders there, and then with the pull-through, you just pull it right down, makes another armrest, and you now have access to the back. On the floor, there's all-weather mats, as well as slim pockets on the back of the front seat. There's a little cubby and air vents in the center there, and up above, hooks, handles, lighting, and that panoramic view. Passenger side fuel cap. This vehicle is diesel. Privacy glass in the back windows, roof rails, powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.